Welcome to our program for today. I received this question from a pupil of mine and decided I would share its solution as well for any of you out there who would like to be able to solve similar problems. Now, oftentimes when students get questions on density, they immediately want to think of the formula for density. I usually wouldn't encourage that at this stage. I would be willing to help students to see how they can connect the units of their final output to what is expected of them. So, for example, we are expected to write our final answer in gram per cm cube. This gram per cm cube means that we're looking for a particular number of grams per 1 cm cube. So if we then proceed to work out the volume of the 3D shape that we've got, then we could then reason, how would I work out what 1 cm cube would be? So shall we start doing that? We see here a triangular prism. The cross section is a right-angled triangle. So the volume of our prism, as we know it, area of cross section times width, or your third section, depth. You could call it anyhow you want. So in this case, we're going to do half times 8 times 4, and then times 4, the third measure. This will then simplify to 64 cm cube. We've already been told in the question that the mass of the prism is 51.2 grams. This means that 51.2 grams of wood represents 64 cm cube of volume. But what we are interested in is we're interested in 1 cm cube of volume. Hence, we're going to be using our proportional relationship. Now, we ask ourselves then, how am I able to reduce 64 cm cube to 1 cm cube? Proportionally, obviously not adding or subtracting. So what do? We will then divide both sides by 64. Why do we do that to both sides? Because of this proportional relationship that we've got. So any changes made to your right hand side, you're sure to make the same change to the left hand side in order to keep that proportional relationship valid. So what is our 51.2 divided by 64? And that gives us a 0.8 gram. The meaning of this is every cm cube of this particular wood will weigh 0.8 grams. Therefore, the density that we're interested in will be 0.8 grams per cm cube, per 1 cm cube. I hope that makes sense and you understand that. In case you have any questions, obviously do email us. You could always also post a comments underneath if you have any questions to ask regarding this solution. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.